Finding multi-bagger stocks.
Finding multi-bagger stocks. Hey, my amazing listeners. This is Mansi, your stock market buddy, your guide to wealth creation, and I'm beyond excited to bring you a podcast that's going to light up your journey to finding multi-bagger stocks. My heart's racing because I can't wait to share the secrets I've learned from years of diving deep into the markets, studying every cycle, reading every top book, and mastering human psychology. Today, I'm here to empower you to chase your financial dreams with confidence and enthusiasm. So, grab your coffee, get your notebook ready, and let's embark on this thrilling multi-bagger adventure together. What's a multi-bagger? Let's start with the basics. What's a multi-bagger stock? These are the gems that can multiply your money 5x, 10x, or even more in 2 to 5 years. Imagine investing rupees 10,000 and watching it grow to 1 lakh. That's the magic of multi-baggers. But here's the truth. It's not luck. It's about patience, strategy, and understanding the market. Let me share a personal story. Back in 2015, I invested rupees 20,000 in a little known company called Bajaj Finance. Everyone said, why this small player? But I saw their solid business model, consistent growth, and rising demand. 5 years later, that rupees 20,000 turned into rupees 2 lakh. That was my first multi-bagger, and today I'm sharing the exact formula with you. Step 1. Fundamentals. Check the company's core. Friends, finding multi-baggers starts with fundamentals. Think of it like checking a company's health before betting on it. If the foundation is weak, even a shiny stock will crash. What to look for? 1. Revenue growth. The company's income should grow by 15% or more year on year. 2. EPS growth. Earnings per share, that is, profit per share, should also rise by 15% or more. 3. Low debt. Debt to equity ratio below 0.5. Too much debt means too much risk. 4. ROE and ROCE. Both should be above 15%. This shows the company uses money efficiently. 5. Free cash flow. The company should have cash left after expenses to grow its business. 6. Promoter holding should be 30 to 40% or more and ideally increasing. If promoters are selling or pledging shares, that's a red flag. Oh boys, beware. I once stumbled upon Avanti Feeds, a small company with profits growing 20% every year. I thought this could be big. I invested and in 3 years it became a 4x multi-bagger. But another time, I saw a company with great fundamentals but promoters were pledging shares. I skipped it and guess what? It crashed soon after. Mansi's tip. Use TradingView Stock Screener, filter for small and mid-cap companies on NSE, add the fundamental filters I just mentioned, and you'll get a short list of 20 to 30 strong companies. Step 2. Technicals. Timing is everything. Great fundamentals? Check. But when do you buy? That's where technical analysis comes in. It's like reading the market's mood to know when demand is spiking. What to check? 1. 200 EMA and 50 EMA. The stock price should be above both moving averages. This signals a bullish trend. 2. Breakout patterns. Look for cup and handle, rectangle or ascending triangle patterns. These show a stock is ready for a big move. 3. Volume. During a breakout, volume should be 1.5 times the average. High volume means big players are jumping in. 4. RSI. Should be between 45 and 70. Above 70, the stock might be overbought. A story. In 2020, I spotted Tata Power forming a cup and handle pattern. I waited for the breakout, saw double the usual volume and bought. In 2 years, it was a 3x multi-bagger. But once I rushed into a stock without a breakout, it tanked and I learnt my lesson. Patience is key. Tip. Check weekly and monthly charts on TradingView. If the stock is above the 200 EMA and breaking out with high volume, it's likely on the multi-bagger path. Step 3. Sector magic. Multi-baggers often come from sectors with long-term growth potential like EVs, renewable energy, defense, pharma, or infrastructure. Example, in 2021, I noticed the EV sector was buzzing. The government was pushing for batteries and charging stations. I invested in Olectra Green Tech, a company making EV buses. In 2 years, it became a 5x multi-bagger. My dear friends, this stock market is an ocean of opportunities. There are waves, but there are also treasures. I've given you the map today. Now it's your turn to dive in. Work hard, stay smart, and never give up on your dreams. I am with you every step of the way. A heartfelt request. If you loved this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Spread the word to your friends so they can join the multi-bagger journey too. More exciting tips await you in the next episode. Stay wealthy, stay happy.